Topwater Johnny fishing on a white chatterbait with a little minnow. Say what? Whoa, there we go. Yeah! Woo, holy cow, folks. Topwater Johnny here, man. This is what we came here for. Look at that. Get back here. Look at that right there. That's the kind of beast that we came here for. Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny. Look at that beast right there, baby. I think I won the tournament with that one right there. I am the one with this one. Hey, what up everybody? It's Topwater Johnny here. Just want to welcome you to this next video. In this video that you're about to watch, you're going to see a series of clips of me fishing with this, a white chatterbait with a little minnow on it. And so what I've decided to do, because the water's really choppy out here, so I'm not really getting that top water hit like I want. So I'm going to do this little light, and this is very finessey right here. This very finessey chatterbait, and I'm going to use that and fish with it. So in this episode here, you're going to see a series of videos of me fishing with it and the things that I'm catching with it. So as always, like, subscribe to the channel, and always remember that phrase when it comes to topwater fishing: keep your line tight, because when they hit that topwater lure, it's going to be a big bite. And even when you're fishing with chatterbait. All right. There we go. There we go. There we go, everybody. Haha. Look at that one. Right there, everybody. Got him on. Decided to go with a little chatterbait and a minnow, because the water's really choppy out there today. And that one's out, but we got one right there. So there we go, man. No complaints. First one on the board. There we go. There we go. There we go. Everybody on the chatterbait with the little minnow. There we go. Woo! We'll take it. We'll take that. Look at that, everybody. We got one here on the actual. Got him on the chatterbait with the little minnow there. So we'll take that one for right now. That is a nice one. All right. There we go. There we go. There we go, folks. On the spinner. On the spinner. Got one here. On the spinner bait. Well, shall I say not the spinner, but on the little chatterbait with the worm. I was trying to get something going, and there we go. Right there. He bit that little chatterbait. He caught that one. So that was good. So, you know, no complaints there on that one right there. Put that right there. All right, there it is. Once again, nice little bass on a small little chatterbait setup with a little worm right there. I'm sorry, not with a little worm, with a little minnow. It's kind of raining out here a little bit. So I got that bottom action going, and there we are. So, all right then. Once again, there's a nice little one right there. So I got one. So that's pretty good. You know, once again, you know, that's my second one on that spinner, on that little chatterbait with the minnow. So that's all good. They were chasing minnows. There we go. There we go. There we go, everybody. On the chatter. We putting in the work on the chatterbait. So there you go, everybody. There is a catch on the chatterbait. Totally committed to it. And there he is. He bit that one down nice and tight. All right. There we go. There we go, folks. All right. Look at that. Haha. On a spinner. We got ourselves our first little, this is my first one, folks. Look at that. On the little chatter, man. Let me get a little highlight on that one. Look at that. All right. There we go. There we go. There we go. Woo! We got ourselves a pike, and I'm going to have to get the net on this guy. Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny here. I just want to show you something here. I had to literally get this fish out of, look at all of this crap over here, everybody. I had to get him out of there, and I just found him. So I'm going to go ahead and show you to him now. But I got him on that white spinner. He bit it. So this is my second one on the actual chatterbait with the minnow. So let's take a look at him now. All right, there he is, everybody. There is my second chain pickerel on the spinner. So you just want to get everybody, make sure you can see that on the spinner there. So that was pretty exciting. And he was caught in these weeds, so I had to flush him out so he doesn't die. So that was really cool, man. The video should be on there. Hopefully you guys got a chance to see me pulling him out. But he bought that spinner. All right. There he is. There he is, everybody. There's my chain pickerel. This is my second time catching one, so that's pretty exciting. I got to hold him with these little clampers, but I do not want him biting. As you can see, they are pretty long fish, and I'm just pretty glad to have caught this one right here. So there we are. Come on now. There we go. There we go. All right then. There he is in there, and he looks like he is ready to go. There he goes, and he's headed off. He's a little tired, but that was a good one right there. All right. There we go. There we go. All right. All right. We got one. All right. That one caught me off guard, everybody. I was just reeling in and got him. That's another nice one. Nice one right there. Just stuff out of his mouth. Look at that. Got him. right here on, put him up here, got him on that white chatterbait, and he hit it right there, right at the edge. So that was one that that's what about chatterbaiting, man. You just got to keep reeling, and you never know what's going to happen. So that is a nice one. Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny here. Well, there you have it. In this video here, I was using that white chatterbait. You had a chance to see me fishing multiple locations, working that chatterbait. In this particular video here, you know, the top water was a little slow, so I said I got to do something to make something happen. So I went with a little finessey white chatterbait with a little minnow on there to create some action and create some, basically some strikes. So that's really what I was doing here. So what I want you to do, please, is like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment. I'll also provide some details on the chatterbait and that little minnow I was using in the description box as well, so you can just see exactly what I was using. And as always, you know, when it comes to fishing and it comes to top water, but really fishing in general, variety is really the key. There, you can have your confidence baits, but having other lures that you can pull out for certain situations is really what's going to make you a much better fisherman. So I just wanted to give you that little bit of piece of advice. Please like, subscribe to the channel, and always remember my phrase, keep your line tight, because when they hit those top water lures, it's going to be a big bite. All right.